Bruh.
Hello guys, what you doing? It wasn't singing, that was humming, and it was super ugly. I didn't mean to do singing.
Yeah, great. Granger. Get up.
Hey, we're glad that Mr. Oh, wait, what the heck are you doing? Nothing, I just wanna,
Get up.
Oh, I know, I get ow!
God.
Get away from me. I'm gonna get you.
Shut the hell up.
He's killing our vibe, dude. You're killing my vibe, you idiot. Whatever. We'll go.
I don't even understand.
Oh, I'm sorry. Come on, let's go. Thanks so much for this.
Bruh.
I love you.
Oh, delicious.
Oh no, it's turning red. Why is the sky turning red?
Oh my
Hello,
God.
everybody. Yeah, we are. Why was the sky red?
What the hell?
Get him away.
Why are you standing there in the background?
Come on, let's go. I'm going.
Bye.
So, come on. Yes, come on. It ain't
Shut
that
up. So
bad. Hey, what are you doing? They call me Black.
This is so cringe.
Nice. I'm old. Is everything off? Well, nothing's wrong. You need to get away from now. What? Are you trying to bully me?
Stop it.
No, that black guy, he's gonna get you. He's gonna throw you in a pit.
What is Turbo doing?
And we don't really.
Is he clapping someone?
I'll go get your hat.
Shut. No, don't touch that.
Oh, my eyes.